Welcome back to the Antigravity CLI course. An agent that edits your code is only trustworthy if you can see exactly what it changed before it lands. In Lesson 15, we worked the review flow, line-level diff previews, the artifact review panel, and the keys that let you accept or reject each change one at a time. This is the quality gate between the agent and your codebase. Let's drop into the terminal. Here we are with a change the agent just proposed. Let's inspect it properly before anything touches the repo. By default, Antigravity uses a request review flow, so nothing lands silently. The diff command shows a unified diff of every modified file, letting you read the exact lines added and removed before you decide anything. Now, opening the artifact review panel with Ctrl+R gives you the richer view. Instead of a flat diff, you get each proposed change laid out as a reviewable artifact you can step through deliberately, one piece at a time. Inside review, pressing the F key steps through the individual code changes. Each hunk comes up on its own, so you're never forced to accept a whole file at once when only part of it looks right. Here's a change you're happy with, so you approve it. Pressing Y accepts the proposed tool or command in front of you, while pressing N would reject it and send that particular action back. Once you've walked the changes and everything checks out, the A key approves all the generated artifacts in one stroke, committing the whole reviewed set to your working tree together. One thing worth knowing: this review flow is the default for a reason. Keeps a human in the loop at the exact moment it matters, right before the agent's work becomes part of your code. Here's what to keep from this lesson. The diff command shows unified diffs of modified files so you see exactly what changed. Ctrl+R opens the artifact review panel, and the F key steps through individual changes. In review, Y and N approve or reject an action, while A approves all generated artifacts at once. Head to Standarity.com for the full Antigravity CLI course, and join us in Lesson 16, where we pick up right where we left off with Resume.